If you aren't bitten by the travel bug and love being glued to your computer screen instead, don't fret. There are plenty of jobs up for grabs as well. Now, we've all heard of software programming and IT security experts, but did you know that you can get paid to hack into computer programs? All right, now that I've got the attention of all you tech lovers out there, let me tell you that hacking is a legitimate career indeed. Well, as long as you do it ethically. Rati Chaudhary tells you how.
Hi, I'm Gagandeep Sapra. I'm an ethical hacker.
Ethical hacker? Now that's a bit of an oxymoron, isn't it?
An ethical hacker is a fancier term for a hacker, but working on the right side of the law. His job primarily involves finding loopholes in network and security systems and helping fix those loopholes.
So Gagandeep uses the same techniques that an unscrupulous hacker may apply, and after identifying loopholes in the system, he drafts a solution for it. Cybersecurity is something we just can't afford to take lightly, especially in this day and age. So in the coming years, we need an army of ethical hackers to keep the country safe. Rajat Khare helps create this workforce. He runs an ethical hacking institute in Delhi, and after training, he hires these hackers.
There is a huge need of ethical hackers. There's a huge shortage right now. We need around 77,000 ethical hackers. We stand at 15,000. We need to really do something about it.
Apart from Rajat's Appen Institute, you can also train to hack at institutes like Ankit Fadia, New Horizons and Kyrion. And what you need most to qualify is a good understanding of computer languages and a knack of getting into the mind of a fellow hacker. After all, it's about survival of the fittest.
We'll take a